In the kitchen with Temple.
Today on the menu is cast iron fillet with asparagus with mushrooms.
So we're going to chop the garlic for the cast iron steak and asparagus. And of course, garlic is a staple in every house. So you have to have garlic. Plus, it smells so good. I sometimes joke and say I could wear it like perfume. But, you know, we're trying to catch people, not scare them away. Today, we're going to make a cast iron fillet with asparagus. And of course, we have garlic and the staple, a little kosher salt. Never hurts. So we're going to get started. We've already chopped the garlic and put it in here. And we're going to start with the asparagus. So one of the things about asparagus is you have to cut the tips off. They're great. We're going to rinse them. But you just cut a little bit off the end. And they're perfect and ready to go. And they're going to fit perfectly in the cast iron. And we'll start doing that while you take a break. The other thing is, I wanted to mention, is that with the fillets, we took these out and we are going to let them sit for about 20-30 minutes because they sear better at room temperature. Alright, so the next step is, we've got the cast iron all ready. So come with me. We're going to put the steaks on and we're going to sear them on both sides. So you can see the skillet. It's got some butter and a little bit of oil in it because the key is getting a good sear on this. So we're going to try this now. I bet you can hear that sizzle. Alright, so we're going to sear these. And just a couple minutes on both sides good, because what we're going to do is we're going to finish them off in the oven. So we just need to brown the outside. And I'm going to tell you, I love butter. I mean, I love butter. So you can even baste a little bit, which is even better. And then when we finish this, we're actually going to put the asparagus and the garlic and the mushrooms in here. Not quite. This one might be a little bit more ready. So I think what we're going to do is switch these around. Sometimes the cast irons cook one faster than the other, but you see that little brown sear right there? That's what we want. Okay, so steaks have been resting, which is great. We're going to add some beautiful asparagus. I'm going to try and make it look pretty. I love asparagus, and especially when it's cast iron. We're going to add some of these wonderful mushrooms. I think I'm going to use the juice part. It's like the absolute best. And just because I love spicy, we added a little spicy creamy horseradish, which is amazing. So we're just going to put a little bit of mushrooms on this one. And I think we are done. And voila. Cast iron steak with asparagus, mushrooms, and creamy horseradish. Enjoy. All right, we're gonna cut into it. Medium rare is what we're looking for. So you might wanna get close. Look at that. It's absolutely perfect. This is how I like it. You can cook it as long as you want, but we will see you next time in the kitchen with Temple. And if you have any suggestions or things you'd like me to cook or make, drop a line. Thanks. See you soon.